Most drivers are switching to high-intensity discharge lighting due to the amazing output these lights provide. When you get the HID lights, you will notice that they come with a box-like device, which is quite heavy. This item is the HID Ballast. When getting a replacement for your lights, it is advisable to go for the best HID Ballast. There are many products available to choose HID Ballast, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best HID Ballast from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. COROTC, HID Ballast. One of the benefits you stand to gain when you go for the COROTC Super Slim Xenon HID Ballast is boosted performance, which you will notice from how bright your lights will be. It is a perfect HID kit for projector lights, particularly if you want them to have a high intensity. It is a plug-and-play kit, meaning you do not have to stress yourself with programming or coding your car when installing this kit. There is no need for modification as it comes in a pair, one for each headlight. There is much dedication to its construction to make it sturdy and durable. You can notice this through its heat and water resistance properties. The versatility of this HID Ballast kit is another thing that makes it one of the best HID ballasts that you can get. Number 2. Relosi 2PCS HID Ballast. Relosi Super Slim HID Ballast is a great HID conversion kit that will work with your HID lights and standard halogen lights. The selling point of this ballast kit is that it will enhance the brightness of your car's light. It brings on consistent output, stability, where you will not have flickering lights, and an improved visual range. The Relosi Super Slim HID Ballast is also very robust, evident from its water and heat-proof qualities. It is also resistant to dust and aging, meaning it will serve you decently for long. It can work with a 12V car and motorcycle, and is compatible with H, 9, and D series bulbs. This ballast comes with simple wiring, making it easy to install. You do not need modifications to fix it to your car. When working, it won't interfere with other units like the FM radio, a common thing that presents itself as poor reception. Positive side of this product. It enhances your headlights' brightness. Consistent and stable light output. Water, heat, dust, and aging proof. Number 3. Xenon HID Ballast. Versatility is an excellent feature to look at when getting a HID ballast for your lights. The Gen Xenon replacement for Toyota and Lexus Xenon HID Ballast for headlight is one of the most versatile ballasts you will encounter. It works with several Toyota and Lexus models, and can also go to either the left or right headlight. It works with several HID lights, bringing on its stability, ensuring you have a sustained bright light. Number 4. Replacement Xenon HID Ballast. If you want value for your spending when getting a HID ballast, Gen Xenon Replacement Xenon HID Ballast for Mazda, Acura, and Mitsubishi is the perfect kit. What makes it stand out is its excellent performance, especially when judging by the light output. Its stable performance ensures you do not encounter issues like flickering headlights, which can be a problem when driving. Number 5. Xenon HID Ballast Headlight Control Unit. The Gen Xenon Replacement Xenon HID Ballast for BMW, Mercedes and Audi is an excellent replacement, which gives you the best functionality. You can easily install it, and you do not need to pre-code or pre-program your car to have this installation. It is a versatile component, seeing that it can work with different car models like BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Land Rover, and Audi, both old and new. You may also install it on either the right or left-hand side, and it will still work perfectly. Number 6. Xenon HID Replacement 12V35W Ballast Universal. The Xentech Universal Ballast is an ideal option when looking for a universal HID ballast, and it will work with several car models. However, in some, you will need minor modifications. Something you will love about the Xentech Universal Ballast is the enhanced light intensity. When installed, the headlights will shine bright, making it a good option if you want a stable and strong light output. Number 7. Xentech Universal Ballast. User-friendliness is one of the critical factors to look at when getting the best HID ballast for your car. Xentech Alloy Advanced Slim Ballast is one of the best while looking at user-friendliness, which is evident in different aspects. One of the aspects that hint at its convenience is its compatibility with any 35W Xentech HID bulb. If you use this brand of bulbs, then the Xentech Alloy Advanced Slim Ballast is a perfect choice. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.